Hello mga kadots, good morning. Today is Sunday and then wala akong kape kaya nagagawa ko ng matcha which is matcha for my baba. I just get very small.
Ma-stress.
Appendix.
Appendix eh.
I'm not sick.
Ay, doon.